Hello, my name is Garrett Drake, and this is part 1 of the VA-Revit Link training video. In part 1, we will cover exporting a Revit model to a visual analysis project. Let's get started. Here we have a Revit model that we will use to export a visual analysis project. Before exporting the model, it is usually a good idea to review Revit's analytical model, as that is what will be used during the export process. Note that the VA-Revit Link does not export model objects that do not have an analytical object associated with them. After installing the VA-Revit Link, you will find the Export, Import, and Help commands on the Add-ins tab of the ribbon. To start the export process, select the Export button, which will open the Export dialog. The left side of the dialog allows you to set the items in the Revit model to export, and the right side of the dialog has the export parameters that will be used when creating the visual analysis project. If you hover the cursor over any of the export parameters, you will get a tooltip further explaining its function in the export process. Additional information on export parameters can be found in the help documentation. Once you have selected the items to export and set the export parameters, select OK to create the visual analysis project and save the file. A message box should then display showing a summary of the export process. Let's now switch over to Visual Analysis and take a look at our exported project. You can see that the Visual Analysis Project matches our Revit model, and from here you can begin to define the boundary conditions and loads in order to analyze and design your structure. In part 2, we will look at how to get changes made in visual analysis back into the Revit model using the VA-Revit Link import command. Thanks for watching.